Good morning. Let us continue the problems of warm-up session. Okay, so let us start with the question. Second question. Find the value of cosec 10 minus root 3 sec 10. Options A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4 and E none of these. Question. Find the value of cosec 10 minus root 3 sec 10. Options A1, B2, C3, D4 and E none of these. Here we have to find out the value of this trigonometric expression. We know that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So this question becomes 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. Okay. Also we know that sin 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So if we multiply and divide here with 2, this becomes here we multiply and divide here with 2. Then this becomes 2 into half by sin 10 minus root 3 by 2 by cos 10. We know that half is sin 30 and root 3 by 2 is cos 30. So this becomes 2 into sin 30 by sin 10 minus cos 30 by cos 10. Okay. Now just to simplify this expression, that is, just take LCM and simplify, we get this numerator as sin A minus B. That is, on simplification, this expression becomes sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10. So numerator becomes sin A minus B. Similarly, on simplification, denominator becomes sin 2 theta. Both of the terms are same. That is, on simplification we get both of the terms as same. So they get cancelled. So we can find out the value of our required expression. That is the procedure. Okay. That is, first of all, we know that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So our expression, our required expression becomes this 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. Now we just multiplied and divided here with 2 in order to convert this expression into sin 30 and cos 30. So our expression cosec 10 minus root 3 sec 10 has changed into this expression 2 into sin 30 by sin 10 minus cos 30 by cos 10. Now just take LCM and simplify. We get numerator as sin A minus B and denominator as sin 2 theta. We get both of the terms as same and they get cancelled. Then we get the value of our required expression procedure. Just try yourself and we will see after 5 minutes. Okay. Now we have converted our required expression into this. Now just take LCM and simplify. Our LCM is sin 10 cos 10. So numerator becomes sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10. Okay, so here numerator becomes sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know that is sin A minus B. So numerator becomes sin 30 minus 10, that is 20. That is 2 sin 20. Denominator is sin 10 cos 10. We know that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So if we just multiply and divide here with 2, we can change this expression into sin 2 theta. So here multiply and divide with 2. Okay, sin 10 cos 10. Here we multiplied and divided with 2. Then this becomes half into 2 sin 10 cos 10. We know that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, that is sin 20. So this becomes 2 sin 20 divided by half sin 20. Sin 20 get cancelled. Then we get 2 divided by half, which is equal to 4. Okay. So the value of our required expression is 4. Okay.